What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to yet another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a quick little pickup from a brand called Network. Actually, this was just the brand that they did the release through. This is a new type of pickup on this channel. It's not sneakers, it's artwork. So let's just jump right into it. So if you guys are familiar with an artist known by the name of Joshua Vides, I don't ever want to mispronounce people's names, but I do it so fucking often. So Joshua Vides is an artist. He started off, the first time I ever saw his work was on a pair of Jordan 1s that he had done a little customization, and it looks like, the best way I could describe it, he started that cartoony looking style of painting where he draws, everything's all white, but he does the black outlines and stuff. Point is, he's an incredible artist, and I'm a huge fan of him and his work, and he did a recent release with Carhartt, and it's essentially, we're just going to get right into it. So here's the box. This is fucking amazing. So I'm super stoked about this particular unboxing today. So you guys can see, a Rust-Oleum can in bubble wrap. I'm super excited for this. He did a 100 count release of this paint supplies t-shirt with Carhartt, and in the packaging, rather than a simple, well, I've got to take a moment and admire this. So rather than a simple package with a t-shirt inside, he issued an entire can, a Rust-Oleum can. This is actually a print from what I understood. His signature style all over. Let's see if we can get like a better look at this. Hello? My face? Let's focus in on that. So it's like this super cartoon, almost like a drawing of everything. So he had a series called Reality to Idea, which was the opposite of like, have an idea, you draw a sketch, bring it to reality. He took the reality aspect and brought it back to the sketch, the drawings and everything like that. So this is one kind of example. So everything you see on the can looks to be like it's painted on there. So it's Rust-Oleum, stops rust, protective enamel, superior quality. It just looks like a regular Rust-Oleum can from a distance, but up close you can see it's a full-on drawing, practically. So on the side here he has, please keep out of reach of children and resellers. Store your goods inside this paint bucket or put it on your shelf to spice up your room decor. Thank you for your support. You the best. Love, JV. Brought to you by the good people at Reality to Idea LLC, established 2017. So Reality to Idea, I am not crazy. So this is number 77 of 100. It makes this so much more valuable to me because it's such a limited quantity, but it's also something that's like, it's a personal touch to it. So I'm gonna have to use a little screwdriver here. Try to pry this can open, I think. Shit, I don't want to damage this thing. No real way to get inside without it, so. Wish I had a better screwdriver. I think I'm making some progress, though. It looks to be like it's. Here we go. Come on. I don't want to dent the can either. There we go. There we go. Yes! Got it. I'm so excited. So it's a regular old paint can, and inside is the shirt. So let's put the can to the side. Inside is the shirt. It's through Carhartt, original fit, and I've really actually wanted one of these pocket tees for a long time. I love Carhartt, and I know they've been having a year. So this is kind of a special version. Kind of like this is definitely a special version of the same old Carhartt shirt. So you guys can see on the pocket up here, it says Vides Paint Supplies, open 24 hours, 7 days a week. Se habla español. I actually don't speak Spanish whatsoever, so if that was good or bad, let me know. But yeah, regular old Carhartt t-shirt with that personalized JV, Reality to Idea touch. And this is a small. They fit kind of big and boxy, but this looks like a comfy shirt, and I honestly can't wait to wear it. It's Cozy Boy season. If you haven't gotten the memo, it's Cozy Boy season. It's hot girl summer, now it's Cozy Boy season, alright? Time to gain some weight. Also, I want to give a brief shout out to Critically Acclaimed out there in the UK. This is the sample French Terry Acclaimed logo hoodie. It just has a Roman Old English style letter A all over it, and my name's Andrew, so that kind of, I like that logo a lot. So this is the third item I got from their sample sale, and honestly I really love this hoodie. It's super comfy, and I'm freezing down here in this basement, so this is awesome. So yeah, there's the can. Lid's going right back on this thing, and it's going to be sitting on my shelf for a long time. So I want to hammer it down. There we go. So this to me is an awesome little bit of art that I'm going to have this for the rest of my life probably. Honestly, I really, really love this a lot. But that is not all. So there's also a print that I ordered, kind of the same style. Now this one was a little bit more expensive. So I don't really have a problem telling you guys how much this was. The shirt and the can was $80. This print was $200. The way I think about it is art. It's going to retain its value if I ever decide to sell it, which I don't really see myself selling this ever. I know I referenced T. Blake a lot. I'm kind of following the T. Blake method of buying art, selling sneakers. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I didn't want to record me trying to find a way to take this out of the packaging without ripping anything. So here we go. Packaging off to the side. And let's unravel this thing and take a look at it. So by the way, I love how it's wrapped up in brown paper already. And this is no small print. So I was a little unsure on how it was going to arrive. I was a little unsure on how it was going to arrive because in the images it looked a lot smaller than this. But here we have the full-sized Rust-Oleum protective enamel. This full-size Rust-Oleum JV style Reality 2 Idea print. You guys can take a look. And it is numbered as well. On the bottom here you've got 18 out of 100, and then his little signature there on the side. And the signature looks like it was not part of the original print, which is awesome. So signed and numbered by the man himself, JV. I'm super, super stoked to have this, and I cannot wait to throw this up on the wall in a nice frame. So let's get to measuring, and then I'm probably going to wrap up this video, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, we got the Paint Supply shirt, we got the commemorative can, and of course we got the print. So this is an awesome unboxing for me. I'm super stoked, a super big fan of Josh, like I said. Super excited to have this in the collection, and honestly, I think I'm just going to start buying more art. I think that's my next move. Start buying more art. Forget the sneakers, but the love for sneakers is still there. This is still a sneaker channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, guys, this is Andrew signing off. Peace.